Hi, welcome to this video. To see if an iPhone is real, check the serial number on Apple's check coverage tool. So go to settings, general, about. Inside, you're going to be able to copy your serial number. A real number shows correct device details. Fake phones often use Android, have a bad screen, or fail to connect to iTunes. So open the App Store if you want to test software in the App Store, right? If it opens the Google Play Store or a web page, the phone is fake. Search for Apple apps like iMovie or GarageBand. Fakes will not show true Apple apps. Try to use Siri or set up Hey Siri, because fake phones lack the proper hardware for this. So consider liking this video, subscribing, really helps with the channel. Till next time, see ya.